All right, guys, if you remember, we did a simple pulled pork. We just did it overnight. It cooked while we were in bed. Check out that video if you haven't already. But normally you got a lot of leftovers with those big old hunks of meat just sitting in your refrigerator. You're probably wondering, what in the world am I gonna do with it? Well, I guarantee you these dang fried tacos we're about to show you, you're gonna be doing them, and they'll be delicious. They'll be real delicious. That's some good groceries. We're gonna get half an onion down. The pork, it's just over there. It's already at idle. It's just sitting there, ready. We'll get that onto the griddle here in a minute after we get these onions down. Here we have this beautiful pulled pork that we made. It's left over. Just gonna get this over to the side and start getting it working. We're gonna add a few things to this as well. Let me see, that might be good. Let's use about that much right there. That much. All right. Got some green chilies. Man, green chilies sure would be good in this, I thought, so why not? These are fire roasted green chilies. That's about a half a can, all right? You wanna do a whole can, go right ahead. One of the cool things about this pulled pork is, you know, it's still got a little bit of fat with it, and some of that fat starts releasing when it hits that griddle top, starts getting warm. It's gonna caramelize a little bit. Whew, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. I'm gonna mix this up. I thought, you know, we're making tacos. Let's hit it with a little bit of street taco. I'm gonna hit the onions, and we'll hit our pulled pork with some of this street taco. Just like that. Just give this a mix, y'all. And really, this is about all there is to it for our filling, for our tacos. While those onions, chilies, and our pork is hanging out over there, getting happy, we're gonna start a little bit of oil over here. And now these fried tacos, you need to do this with the tortillas. It helps make them pliable. Now we're not frying them yet. This is just a little, it's like a little prerequisite, if you will. Get you some corn tortillas. If you wanna do flour, that's fine. But I normally like flour tortillas, but corn tortillas really work well on this recipe. This will make the tortillas nice and pliable. They will, if you fold them right now, they'll break on you. So you don't want that. All right, y'all get warm. All right, y'all get warm. Our pulled pork, our onions, our chilies, they're ready. But also, we need to add a little bit of cheese to this too. I'm gonna do it right on our griddle top. That way I don't have to mix it in that bowl. So I'm just gonna use some Mexican cheese here. I'm gonna use about a cup or more. I mean, it is a taco, and you want this thing to be cheesy. You want it to be cheesy like the old boy Hussey here, okay? So we're just gonna mix all of this together. That's gonna make a beautiful filling for our tacos. I'll let that ride right there because we need to flip the tacos over. We don't want them to get crunchy. We just want them to get warm so that they're nice and pliable. And these are pretty much perfect. All right. We'll let those go just for a little bit longer right there, guys. Let's mix this up here. Oh man, look at this. Look at this right here. Ooh, we're gonna put that inside of these tacos, these tortillas, rather. And then we're gonna fry them. Dang it, boys. All right, there we go. Put you right there, sirs. All right, let's get these tortillas off. Just gonna kind of stack them on top of one another here. We're gonna take a little bit of this filling, put it onto our taco shell. We're just gonna fold those over just like that. And we're just gonna do all of these. We're gonna get them onto the griddle. So y'all stick with me, we're gonna fill the rest of these, all right? Be right back. All right, we're gonna head over to the griddle, get liberal amounts of oil down. This is avocado oil, folks. And we are going to shallow fry our tacos. Give it a little minute to kind of warm up. It's been in that bottle That's perfect. Now, folks, comes the fun part. All right, we got all of our tacos down onto the griddle. Now, your griddle might be a little different to mine. I actually like mine pitched a little bit towards me, so it holds that oil. I got some oil pulled up, okay? Right there, we're just gonna take it, bring it to the back. That way, it just comes right back down onto those tacos. Easy peasy. If you want to, you can put it right over top. It's just hot oil. It's just gonna fry them. It's all good. You just wanna keep your tacos moist as we're doing this process. That's gonna give you that nice, crunchy exterior. We're gonna let these tacos go for about 2 more minutes on this side. We're gonna flip them when we come right back. Guys, it's been 2 minutes. You ready to see this crunch? Ready? Dang it, boys and girls. What little pork has crisped up. That pork fat is kind of releasing from that pulled pork. Golly, boy. This is some kind of good. I'm gonna put them over here so you can see them maybe a little bit better. Dang, boys. Boys and girls, it's gonna be good. Same thing, we're gonna cook these for another 2 minutes, 3 minutes on this side, because we want that side to look just like that side. I wanna make a little sauce for this, because I like to be saucy, okay? While that's finishing up, we're gonna make it. We got a little bit of time on our hands. We're gonna do a little bit of sour cream. These diced chipotles. Man, I love a diced chipotle. It's got this adobo sauce in it. It's nice, smoky. These are smoked, dried and smoked jalapenos. That's what a chipotle is. And that is going to serve as a nice little complement for our tacos. Now, toppings on the tacos, this time, we're not gonna go, sometimes you can do lettuce, tomato, whatever you like. I'm just going straight meat, cheese with the onions and the green chilies, and that's it, okay? And of course, our sauce. Feel free to, add whatever toppings you might like to that. Well, guys, as you can see, both sides, nice, golden, crispy. Whew. I'm gonna put these over onto a paper towel. Just try to get some of that excess oil off. That way, your doctor's not so mad at you, when you go see him. Taking another one, just gonna blot this side here. Man, oh man, look at these bad boys. Getting all excited, I'm getting happy over here. Golly. Let's give these things some arranging here. Let's put them on here. Woo! Let me see, old order of tacos at Hussey's Taqueria. Boy, that's a stack of tacos, come on. And I put a little bit of our chipotle sour cream right there. That, my friends, pulled pork fried tacos. Woo-hoo, don't get any better than this. Woo, let's give it a try. Can you hear that? Crunchy. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Try it. Oh man. Smoky goodness. Pulled pork. Cheesy. Green chilies and the onions. Got a little sweetness. Got a little tartness. That crunch. Love that crunch. I'll dip it in some of this sauce that we made. That's where it's at right there. Y'all, this was super easy. Work was done already. The pulled pork. I suggest you make everything. I think it'll be a good play for you. I appreciate you watching. Appreciate you stopping by. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. I am Matt Hussey. Got some good groceries.